Have you ever pondered about how disputes are resolved in a civil society? Or how laws regulate the sale of goods, transfer of property, or even matters of family? Well, the answer lies in the realm of civil law, an intricate network of legal principles and statutes governing relationships between individuals, organizations, and entities within a society. Among these regulations, major civil acts stand as legislative pillars, providing the framework for resolving disputes, protecting rights, and regulating various aspects of civil interactions. Today we delve into the heart of these major civil acts, exploring their purpose and significance. We begin our journey with the Contract Act. This act is the foundation of agreements, governing the formation and enforcement of contracts between parties. It outlines essential elements of a valid contract, such as offer, acceptance, consideration, and capacity, and even provides remedies for breach of contract. Next, we have the Sale of Goods Act, a crucial piece of legislation that regulates the sale and purchase of goods. From delivery to warranties and conditions, this act sets out the rights and obligations of buyers and sellers in commercial transactions involving movable property. Then there's the Transfer of Property Act, an act that deals with the transfer of ownership and interests in immovable property, like land and buildings. This act establishes the rules for property transactions and registration requirements. The Specific Relief Act follows, offering remedies for the specific enforcement of civil rights and obligations. It empowers courts to grant injunctions, specific performance, and other equitable remedies to enforce contractual or property rights. We then move on to the Limitation Act, a law that prescribes time limits within which legal actions must be initiated for various civil claims. This act sets the periods of limitation for filing lawsuits, beyond which claims become time-barred and cannot be pursued in court. The Civil Procedure Code, or CPC, then takes the stage. This code governs the procedural aspects of civil litigation, including the initiation of lawsuits, pleadings, evidence, hearings, and appeals. It ensures fair and efficient resolution of disputes through judicial processes. Finally, we come to family laws, laws that cover matters related to marriage, divorce, adoption, inheritance, and guardianship. These laws vary depending on religious and cultural practices, and may include enactments such as the Muslim Family Laws Ordinance and Hindu Marriage Act. These major civil acts, from the Contract Act to family laws, provide a legal framework for addressing a wide range of civil matters and upholding rights and obligations within society. They are the cornerstones of our civil society, guiding the resolution of disputes and protection of rights. So, understanding these laws becomes essential, not just for legal professionals, but for every individual, business, or judicial authority involved in civil transactions, disputes, and litigation. Because at the end of the day, it's the knowledge of these laws that empowers us to navigate through the complexities of our civil society.